Understanding the phrase, be talented, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, be talented. Understanding this phrase is key to expressing and recognizing skills and abilities in English. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to be talented. Be talented refers to having a natural ability or skill in a particular area. This can be in arts, sports, academics, or any field. When we say someone is talented, we're acknowledging their exceptional skills or aptitude in that area. It's a way of praising or recognizing someone's abilities. To better understand, let's look at some examples. She is talented at painting, creating beautiful artwork. He has always been talented in mathematics, solving complex problems with ease. These sentences show how the phrase can be used to describe someone's skills. Sometimes, be talented is confused with being skilled through practice. While practice can enhance talent, being talented often implies a natural, inherent ability. It's important to distinguish this from skills developed entirely through learning or training. We hope this video helped clarify the meaning of be talented. Remember, it's a phrase that celebrates natural abilities and skills. Keep practicing your English, and maybe soon, people will say you are talented in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.